I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft's Immersive Reader in Nearpod. Microsoft Immersive Reader is a text-to-speech tool and translator that can be used in select Nearpod activities, slides created in the Nearpod slide editor, and slides created with the Google Slide add-on. Let me show you an example. First, click on the Immersive Reader icon, then press play.
Microsoft Immersive Reader. Nearpod's integration with Immersive Reader allows students to
Notice that the text is read out loud. Under text preferences, students can change the text size, spacing, font, and theme. Under grammar options, students can break up words into syllables for decoding and label parts of speech. Under reading preferences, students can change the line focus. They have the option of a picture dictionary for certain words, and they can translate to over 60 languages. I'm going to go ahead and pick Spanish to give you a quick example. Students can translate by word,
los estudiantes.
Or they can select the entire document.
Lector inmersivo de Microsoft.
As you can see, Immersive Reader is an amazing support tool for all of our learners, especially for our emergent readers, our English language learners, and our students with accommodations. To use Immersive Reader, you first need to enable it in your lesson settings. I'm going to show you in my account. When you log into your account, click on your profile on the top right-hand corner. Select Lesson Settings. Scroll down where you see Accessibility Settings and make sure that Immersive Reader is turned on. Immersive Reader shows up in select Nearpod activities, including drag and drop, open-ended questions, matching pairs, quiz, draw it, and collaborative board. I'm going to show you an example of what this looks like. This is a drag and drop activity. Notice that the Immersive Reader shows up on the top right-hand corner. When I click on the icon, all the features of Immersive Reader will be available. Immersive Reader also shows up in all text that is typed or copied and pasted directly in a Nearpod created slide. Let me show you what this looks like. In your account, when you create a lesson, you select Add Content and Activities, select Slides. All text that you type in the slide or that you copy and paste will have Immersive Reader available. The last way Immersive Reader shows up in Nearpod is through the Google add-on. All text that you type or you copy and paste on slides created and saved in using the Nearpod Google add-on will have Immersive Reader to read and translate. To do that, you simply go to Create, Google Slides. Make sure you have the Google Slide add-on installed. All the slides created and saved will have Immersive Reader.